Good morning. Let's go clear some drains. Let's go use a couple of sewer cameras. Let's use a larger camera and let's go use a mini camera. We're going to go do some commercial drains today. Let's see you down there. Here we go. Let's go on an adventure. This is the way we go clear some drains, go clear some drains, go clear some drains. Whee! Down at the tank right now, the pump chamber. Just flushing stuff out. Enjoy this long sludge slide. Enjoy the music too. You might find this part satisfying. Oh, just look at that ooze coming out. Oh, look at this. There's gotta be at least 30, 35 feet of just pure sludge waiting to wash out of this pipe at some point. Slowly pushing out of there in all its glory and all its nastiness. You might say, hey man, why aren't you running the water a little faster? It's because this pipe is so long and so shallow, I can barely have the hose running it. If I turn it on any further, I'm going to have black sludge all over their kitchen floors. And that's just not right. That's just disgusting. Come on, ooze. Just keep pushing through there. Admit it. You can't stop watching it. It's so satisfying watching this sludge just ooze its way down the pipe to its final destination. Look at that. Just look at it. You can see the stuff that's inside this pipe. And you're looking at this as if it was happening at real time. Isn't it gross? But yet, isn't it just so awesome at the same time? I mean, come on, think about it. What else would you be watching on YouTube? Watching some cats dancing? Or would you rather just sit here and just watch this disgusting, goopity grossness flowing down the pipe? So I have my camera parked in the main cleanout above it. And up the stream here, I'm running the flex shaft and I'm trying to clear out all this grease and goop that's inside there while that hose is running. If I tried to run the jetter inside there, I would have made a mess in their kitchen. So I barely had any room to do anything inside there. But it looks like it's picking up a little bit faster right now. Isn't that great? Oh, isn't that just fabulous? Look at that flow start to move out there. Oh, just... it's like a gray, nasty, smelly, most disgusting grease shake you've ever seen in your life. Look at it, oh, grow chunks. Look at the chunk, yeah, here it comes. Oh, we're gonna hit pay dirt really soon. Oh, this is coming through. This is coming through great. Ew. Oh, it's speeding up. Fantastic. Oh, looks like we are restoring flow to this pipe. Look at it go. Oh, finally. Oh, it's emptying out. Here it goes. It's emptying out, friends. Just keep looking at that. Look at this. You know it's satisfying. Oh, look at that. Plop. Plop. Ugh, plop. Come on. Yeah. Plop, plop. Oh, it's just gross. You can see the individual different types of color inside. Ah, what's the ew? What was that? That was a clump and a half. Man, Just look at all that nastiness going down towards the sewer. Oh man. I can't believe I'm sitting here narrating this, and I can't believe you're sitting here listening to this whole thing. But if you're into drain cleaning and you're into that nasty, gross watching stuff, oh, this is pay dirt right here. This is just as the ooze slides. And with some cool 80s sync wave music to go along there with it, you can't go wrong. It's a win-win for both of us. Yeah. Could it be? Is that the end of the slide? Let's just find out. It looks like it's still trying to pump out some more ooze down inside there. Come on. Oh, here. Oh, we got a second wave coming through here. Yeah, push it. Push it real good. Yes. Yes, push those little clumps out of there. Get them out of the way. That's right. That's right. Keep watching this satisfying. Keep watching it till its conclusion. You know you're here. You're here with me. You're here watching it all flow down the pipe. Oh, here it goes. Oh, here we go. Oh, did you see that chunk? Look at that chunk that went by. Look at that. It's loosening up. It's becoming more liquid. It looks like it's just gonna flow right to. Oh, what was that? Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that water speed up. Is it possible? Do we have it all flushing out of that pipe? Did we just sit there and become friends watching this whole thing? Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Did you see that? You're still here with me? You're hanging on there. You're completely satisfied watching this gunk come out of this pipe and all its. Wow! Here comes another gush of water. Here comes some. Wow! Wow, was this pipe loaded with nasty grease. Too bad you weren't here to enjoy its smell. Wow, it's terrible. But you know what, friends? We're pushing through it. We are pushing through this drain. We're getting this thing clean. Oh, these restaurant owners are going to be so happy to have these pipes back up and running, serving food to their customers, and clean pipes with no more restrictions. Man, this is just fantastic. What a way to spend your time watching pipes flow. Friends, like I said, if you're into drain cleaning, this is where it's at. This is just absolutely gross, fun, fantastic awesomeness watching this through. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that, a chunk, another chunk. How many chunks are we going to get by? How long is this satisfying part? Oh, yeah. I think this washing out of this pipe is something like 8 minutes long. But man, would you rather watch race cars? Or would you rather watch grease just come plowing through that pipe? Nice. Absolutely nice. Sometimes I annoy myself, but you know what? It's all fun.
And then the ones on the other side of the wall run to this?
We'll run to that one too.
So everything's running backwards.
Yeah, so it's probably running to here, or that ties into that one over there.
Seems to me like the ice machine should have gone at this end, right?
Depends on where they had for their connection to put it in.
See, when the building was built, the ice machine was upstairs, it wasn't down here.
Okay.
We had to kind of add that.
Yep. Good. That one right here running, which is on
How's that one
the side. Good. That one's running good. And then we got another floor drain and clean out on this side. She's running 100% on that side with nothing coming back up here. Good.
Is that supposed to empty out?
That just holds water in there. I think they kind of like, this is might be just sagged back just a pinch. water's running through there.
What is that a picture of?
Looking down at the bottom of where that connects in there, that light is my camera lens just reflecting back on there. So it's kind of like looking at like a lake with your headlights that can bounce back at you. So we're looking, the camera's pointed straight down there. We see the pipe that's coming across here, so we're looking at all that water that's running across here, and it's going to be heading out that way towards.
Is it going by this one too?
In Conway, New Hampshire, we are flex shafting open drain lines. So right here is the horizon where it drops into the tank. So everything's going good there. There is a little bit of a sag right here. So it'll start coming back. Turn. A bit of a sag right here, running a +3. Making a turn right here. So it's definitely sagged a little bit right there.
Good, how do you know?
There. It's looking pretty good. pipe. Okay. Okay, two bay sink side with the air gap. Let's clean the lens a little bit here. There's our air gap right there. Sinks. Sometimes this overflows. So let's see if there's anything in the trap.
Like old concrete floors, huh?
Yep.
Friggin' stinks.
Schmig on the lens. Get in that trap. Getting in there. There we go. That's that union that's right there. That's that hand wash sink. We got there a little bit of something. Knock it out of the way. That's where it drops into that T right around the corner here. Yep. Drop in that. A little crud in there. Not bad. So you know that these are your stairs to the place. Everybody likes to see things drain.
You always drain that fast?
Yeah.
Does? Well, where does it overflow from?
Right there. See where that big thing is for the pipe from the sink? It usually comes up and down. It starts coming onto the floor.
That's draining fast.
That always does.
And it's not overflowing down there. And it's not overflowing over.
Yeah, I have nothing in the trap, but I think this discharge line right here is too far down inside there. When that turns on and sprays back in the bottom of the trap, it just bubbles out around here. But other than that, with everything running, it goes through fine. No issues, didn't see anything inside here at all. This is a sanitary T. It would be better if that was a Y and 45 for better flow from everything going across. There we go, nice and clean. Go over over to the other areas. Maybe a chicken bone. Good. Over here was clean. We described that area there. The other floor drain here, which was full of muck, right here. We recommended that they replace this to a countersunk plug because it is higher than the floor. Somebody can kick that trip. So make sure to replace that. And out the door we go. Okay, so we got ourselves another commercial drain done. A lot of grease inside that drain. Another beautiful day outside, at least 70 degrees. Multiple floor drains. We keep New Hampshire flowing. So flex shaft, camera on that one, mini camera, and the Rigid Mini Pro. Let's do a little 360. See if you guys know where I am. You guys know where I'm working today? You know this area? Anybody know this area? I'll give you a hint. It's Route 16 out there. But if you know where I am, leave a comment. So we're gonna have them run some extra Dawn down those floor drains because they don't really get touched. They don't get enough usage at all. The stuff hardens up on there. And there was that plug that was above the ground level of the floor. I wasn't too happy with that. Somebody could trip over that. So I told them about putting a countersunk plug in there, keep somebody from slipping and falling. Because that could save the owner a massive headache. So if you like our channel, like and subscribe. Our telephone number is right down here. We keep New Hampshire flowing, and we'll see you out there. Have a good day, folks.